Good morning guys. I'm gonna take you to visit few places here in Northeast China. So if you like to visit some places from Northeast China, stay tuned. And it is 9 o'clock now, nearly 9 o'clock, and let's set up the trip first. Okay, reset. Trip 1. Okay, now become 0. You can see here become 0. So we will know how many kilometers we drove for this trip. So let's hit the road and see you on the way. Cheers. Going to leave the city right now. This is the south of the city, and we are riding in China's country road. It is like this. The advantage of country road, you can see like this nice field and nice road, nice view. So if you take the highway, you just can see nice road and some service center, that's it. So anyway, when we come back, we're gonna take highway back, but now we want to enjoy country road as well. So this is the like giving little bit much more feeling about your trip. We are here in one historic place, is about like Japanese war. Last standing lady in Japanese war, something like this memorial hall. So anyway, we're gonna see where is it. And this place is very beautiful. You can see there is some water resources, and I think it's this one or that one. Here in some museums by accident, I don't know. Let's see how it's here. This is the place where the Japanese they declare war from this place. This is the memorial hall for that war, and you have everything related to that war. The things what they use, how was the place. So anyway, we came in the right place. I don't know if I can take videos or not, but I'm taking one. You will tell me. So it's like this. All the instrument. You see, you have radio from that time. This side here, they have the instrument. Bullets. I exactly don't know if this is the things Chinese they use or they took from Japanese soldiers. So let's ask. And some cluster bombs. This one. Don't know if it's clear or not, but they have like 1932, 1933, that is 1930. These things from that time and what is happening, what was happening that year, they are writing. Of course I cannot read, but it is like 1930, they use the iron like this, the Japanese iron. Some people, I don't know what is the last one, what is that?
The forgiving.
Toolbox for the gun, fishing guns.
This one, they say the weight.
Look at the guns. And that is under 10,000. Here they have 100 pistol and this one
let's burn this one. This is the source. There, that time military car, and this is they used to use. Look at that. His size is must be more than 46. Another pistol. I don't know what is this. This is bomb. They put here and blast. This one. All the guns. There they have clothes. Oh my god. Many things here from Japanese war. And this thing as well. There, the main. Oh my god. This one is the biggest one. So as I understand here, the Japanese, they declare war from this area, and this is the gate of one city which is called Pansi in Chinese. In English I don't know. So anyway, we found the important place here in Tongbei. Actually I came for this last anti-standing place, but we didn't know about this one, but still we found nice place. Anyway, here in front of us we have one big pond, water reservoir, and along this side have parks. Nice place. All right, gonna move from this place, and we don't know where we'll stop. Finally we can see a little bit bright light now outside.
即将进入桥梁，全程。
Oh my god, after how many kilometers? More than 250 kilometers, we are tired. Going to eat here in Xingyuan, the town name. So, gonna have some food and then gonna hit the road again. And now we decided to go to Saiyang, one of the famous city in northeast China. And it is near to the seaside, so we're gonna go to Saiyang first. Alright, we just finished our short rest. We are in one autonomous county. This county belongs to Manchu tribe, similar like Muslims tribe, as I knew now. So gonna hit the road again, and we'll see you in somewhere. We are near to Saiyang and there is heavy rain outside. Finally arrive in one corner of Saiyang, and if you ever been to China, everywhere construction, so you are not sure you will be in nice place or not. So now we're gonna go to the
one hotel because we have partner, they already arrive here in the afternoon because they come from somewhere else. So now we're gonna go to them because they booked the hotel room. So let's see how is the hotel. This is our hotel room. You can see outside look like it's village. Sit here. Bar is there. With a cup of tea. And there you have the special note here. Now you're gonna go out. Anyway, this is cheap hotel is around less than $30. It's like this. Kids ordering burger from that Wallis burger. So we're gonna go to that restaurant. Look at the kids. Look.
有热花生米、冰软情人大白木耳、红油土汁、香辣板筋、拌花菜、辣根木耳、辣根木耳。
Today this burger they have buy one get one free. So the 50 yuan they can enjoy a lot of things.
它那个水果还是它俩是一样的。
一样的，他俩都一人挣一个。
So now we're gonna have some hot pot chicken. It's a little bit different than Jilin. We didn't have in this season, so we're gonna try this on how it is. We're gonna have the local beer. Long Sanchuan. This is the things we're gonna try. This is some chicken with a prawn and inside have some vegetables. The end of the meal, you can add vegetable. You can add vegetable like that. So far, this is the end of today's trip. How do you like this video? Don't forget to comment down below. And if you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And we're gonna see you in the next trip. Until then, have a good time. Cheers.